So, I am going to make this recipe tonight from Star Infinite Food. I'm going to use purple potatoes because I roasted them at one time, and I want to try something different. Instead of a sweet potato, I'm going to use a purple potato. Now, the tahini and the maple syrup and this balsamic vinegar, it's going to be my, it's going to be the dressing over the top. And I have my arugula, my lemon, some, what is this? Yeah, feta cheese, got my dates, and I have some pecans. This is going to be the crumble topping on top of this purple potato. So you know what? Let's get started. So I washed and scrubbed my potatoes and I patted them dry. Put some EVOO on the pan, a little salt and pepper. I'm gonna put these in the oven at say 350, 375. I'm gonna let these bake for like maybe 35. I'm gonna watch them 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, so now here is my pecan, feta, date, arugula, lemon zest, and lemon crumble. And this is the tahini, maple syrup, balsamic vinegar. Now that's the topping that's going to go over the top. Let's check on those potatoes. Okay, so I just pulled these out. I just took them out the oven, flipped them over. Look at that beautiful purple. Oh my God, and this is how you check it's cooked all the way through. So I'm going to let these cool down. Look at that. I am so excited. Can't wait to get into these things. Yummy. Okay, so these are the purple potato pecan date salsa. I'll leave a link where you can get the recipe, but I'm telling you, these look delicious. And I think I'm going to, I cut a slice over here so you can see. Look at that. Wow. That purple potato. I can't grab it all because I'm holding the camera. Oh boy, that's good. That's really good. So what's in here is arugula, feta cheese, some dates with the feta cheese, that little sweet salty taste, some lemon zest and some lemon, and you are good to go. So I'll leave you the link to the page where I got this from. That fell again, but that's okay. It's Star Infinite Food, and she has the recipe on her page, so check it out. This is so delicious.